Number 3. 4D RC V10 RC Mini Drone Helicopter. Why it is the best budget RC helicopter. The 4D RC V10 is an impressive RC mini drone designed for enthusiasts of all ages. Packed with features, it boasts a 1080 pixel APB Wi-Fi live video camera for stunning aerial views. Beginners and kids will appreciate the user-friendly functions like 3D flips, gestures for selfies, altitude hold, and waypoint flying. The foldable design adds portability, and the drone can execute a 360-degree flip and one key rotation. With a vibrant green color, 2.4 GHz remote control technology, and two 1200 ampere-hour batteries included, this drone ensures an exhilarating flying experience, perfect for beginners. It combines simplicity with advanced capabilities. More details, click the video description links. Number 2. KY-202 Mini RC Drone Helicopter. Why it is the best budget RC helicopter. The KY-202 RC helicopter drone is a cutting-edge aerial companion equipped with advanced features. Its intelligent hovering, gesture sensing, and obstacle avoidance flight make it a breeze to navigate. The 4K HD dual camera provides stunning aerial views, while mobile phone control and air combat mode add excitement. The drone boasts a sleek design in grey, enhanced by highlighter LED lights with one-button takeoff, landing, demonstration, and speed switching. It ensures a user-friendly experience. The 6-axis gyroscope ensures stability, and the modular lithium battery allows for a 15 minutes flight time. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, this drone promises an unforgettable flying experience. More details, click the video description links. Number 1. LM19 RC Helicopter. Why it is the best budget RC helicopter. The LM19 a drone is an ideal choice for beginners, featuring a built-in HD camera for capturing stunning 720 pixel videos. This Wi-Fi enabled V22 Osprey remote control airplane is ready to soar right out of the box. Easy to fly and equipped with a user-friendly remote control. It's a perfect gift for boys, girls, and adults. With the convenience of two included lithium polymer batteries, the LM19 ensures extended flight time. Experience the joy of piloting this RC quadcopter, a delightful toy that combines simplicity and technology. More details, click the video description links.